Hi, this is Colton with J & Precision Golf Carts, and this is What Are We Up To Friday. Today we are pulling, well, we've already pulled the rear end or the front differential out of this four-wheel drive Tuatara cart, and that was because the four-wheel drive selector was actually leaking everywhere. So we finally got the parts to get that replaced, and we're going to give you a close look at what all this stuff looks like. As you guys can see, we've already got it torn apart, but you can see how much work actually goes into the stuff that we got going on here. I had to pull the entire shock out, undo all of the suspension. I have the whole entire brake assembly over here to the side just to get the differential out here. So this cart, or I should say, it's practically an electric tractor, but it's primarily rear-wheel drive with the option of having four-wheel drive. So the way this works is there's gears in here, and when this collar slides over these gears, as you can see, when I spin where the drive shaft connects to, we don't have any axle spin. But as soon as I engage this collar onto this gear, we have the axle spinning. So now it's in four-wheel drive when this is engaged. So the way this works is it's an electronic gear, and this spins on these splines here, and that engages the collar into four-wheel drive. So somebody tried to make a repair on this before with silicone, and they caked it all over everything. That's not the correct way to do this. So we got the new parts. We had to order them from the manufacturer out of New Zealand. It took us about a month to get these parts here. That's the only place you can get them. So now that I have them, I can reseal it up the correct way with silicone and get this cart back to the customer.